to change payment method on Google Play Store. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. On your mobile device, you need to locate Google Play Store app. Tap to open it. Now to access payment settings, tap profile icon at top right corner of the screen. Now a menu appears on your screen where you will see the option of payments and subscription. Simply, you need to select it. Now tap on payment methods at top of the screen. After waiting for a while, you will land on this payment methods section. Select more payment settings from the option. Now let's choose Chrome browser to open new window or site. Now from here you can easily add a new payment method. Tap on add a payment method. Now add credit or debit card number, the cardholder names and billing address. You can easily follow on the screen instructions to add your new payment method. After adding the new payment method, you can easily tap on the save button. And once you are done with adding your new payment method, you can easily confirm the selection and ensure it's linked to the correct Gmail account. And that is how you can successfully change your payment method on Google Play. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.